So today we'll be replacing the end links and these sway bar bushings on my 95 F150.
All right.
And I got these from Rock Auto, so they come with all the hardware and everything. We're good to go. And also, when you put the sway bar bushings on, you want to make sure you put silicone paste in here, or else they will squeak. So you can see the L and the R. So driver's side, passenger side.
Hey Bob, slow down. You made that look too easy. You should usually put this penetrating fluid on like usually a day in advance. If you know
if you
you're
have a lot of rust,
working with a lot of rust.
Put the nut back on the end so I can hammer it. That way I don't mushroom the end of the bolt.
Just like that. You can see the differences between the old and new.
Yep, see the bushings on the old ones starting to fray. On the hardware too, which is good because you see these are getting rusted. I could actually clean those up with the wire brushes I have, but it comes with the new ones, so it's gonna use the new ones. I might actually reuse these washers because the washers that come in the kit are very small.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna put these the exact same way it was on the other ones too, with the bolt going in this way and not attaching the other side.
So this was the part that Bob was trying to loosen. And as you can see, it looks like this bracket here is supposed to keep these from turning.
Right.
So we had to go in from the other side. Yeah, they really don't look bad.
They look really good. But I'm going to replace them anyway since I already have the new ones.
Yeah,
But
I mean,
this is definitely a purchase I didn't need to make right now.
it's definitely reassuring that you probably will never have to replace them again.
Yeah. It does have to cut out.
Right there.
Alright, now I'm going to add my silicone paste to where these bushings will mount. Pretty big area, that way if I have to slide them or anything, it'll still be covered. One. These are going to 37 foot-pounds. Oh, there you go. 37 foot-pounds. 37.
One more.
37. Good to go. Oh, there we go. It's one at 70. 70.
There we go.
All right.
Ooh, one more.
All right. And that's it. Let's go for a test drive.